Let us look how button mushroom boosts your immune system. Button mushrooms are the most widely available and commonly consumed mushroom. All types of mushroom are health beneficial, but recent research has now confirmed that button mushrooms plays a powerful role in keeping the immune system healthy. Scientists conducted an animal model and cell culture study showing that button mushrooms enhanced the activity of critical cells in the body's immune system. The results suggest that button mushrooms may promote immune function by increasing production of proteins that fight disease-causing pathogens. The study's cell culture phase showed that mushrooms enhanced the maturity of immune system cells called dendritic cells, from bone marrow. Dendritic cells can make T cells, important white blood cells that can recognize and eventually deactivate or destroy antigens, any substances that cause the immune system to respond, on invading microbes. These cells are therefore crucial to a strong and healthy immune system. Previous research has found that mushroom extract helps to prevent cancer growth. Out of 7 vegetable extracts tested, white mushrooms were the most effective in inhibiting aromatase, an enzyme associated with breast cancer growth. Mushrooms can be eaten raw or cooked. Add them to stir-fries, soups, salads, meat dishes and other main courses. Eat healthy and stay healthy.